last two lectures we have discussed the basic theory of mass spectroscopy and its application towards the fragmentation of the organic molecule. Now, in this lecture we shall discuss the problem solving attempt based on UV, IR, NMR and mass spectral data is given and elucidate the structure of the organic compound. So, now problems based on UV, IR, NMR and mass spectroscopy. Myself is Dr. Nitin Kumar B. Patel, Associate Professor from Sri Jayendra Puri Arts and Science College, Bharuch. Now, an unknown organic compound having a following spectral data. From that spectral data, we have to elucidate the structure of the organic compound. So, first the compound having molecular formula C4H7N, that is written. UV data shows no lambda max above 200 nanometer, IR band absorption at 2941 centimeter inverse, 2273 centimeter inverse and 1460 centimeter inverse. PMR spectra shows chemical shift value, 2 signal is shown, 2.73 and 1.33 chemical shift value, multiplicity is shafted doublet, J value is 6.7 Hertz and number of proton is 1 proton 6 proton. Now, first of all you find out the degree of unsaturation and it is given by this formula. The degree of unsaturation equal to number of carbon atom plus 1 minus number of hydrogen atom by 2 minus number of plus number of nitrogen atom by 2 minus number of halogen atom by 2. So, in our molecular formula 4 carbon, 7 hydrogen and 1 nitrogen is there, no halogen element. So, you find using this formula the degree of unsaturation. So, 4 plus 1 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 double bond is present and which is called double bond equivalent. So, 2 double bond equivalent is present, therefore, there are 4 possibilities of 2 double bond. First possibility is either it may be 2 double bond or second possibility 1 double bond and 1 cyclic ring. Third possibility is 2 cyclic ring and fourth possibility is 1 triple bond. Now, UV data suggests that UV spectra shows that no absorption above 200 nanometer. It indicates N to sigma star transitions. So, if transition is above longer wavelength above 200 nanometer, then pi to pi star and N to pi star transition is possible, but it is below 200 indicates sigma electron is there, transition of sigma electron, either it may be N to sigma star or sigma to sigma star. IR data. Now, before that a molecular formula showing 1 nitrogen atom indicate possibility of amines nitro group or nitrile group. So, nitrogen is in a form of primary, secondary, tertiary amine, either it may be nitro group or it may be a cyanide group C triple bond N, but stretching frequency of amines and nitro group is not given in the data. So, if amines is there, it will be absorbed at IR band is observed about 3000, means around about 3400 to 3500 for primary amine. For secondary amine only one band and for tertiary amine no band is appear. If nitro group is there, 2 band is there between 1300 and 1500. If nitrile group is there, C triple bond and stretching round about 2200 centimeter inverse is there. So, this band is given in the IR data 2273 centimeter indicates C triple bond and stretching is there. No NS stretching and NO stretching band is given. So, compound nitrogen compound having a molecular formula C4H7N, 1 nitrogen is there, odd number of nitrogen, molecular weight is odd as per the nitrogen rule. So, 1 nitrogen is in a form of nitrile group. Now, other band is there 2941, IR absorption band at 2941 indicates it is a CS stretching, aliphatic CS stretching means sp3 CS stretching vibrations. Similarly, other band at 1460, it is a bending vibration of alkyl group. So, whatever CC bond or CH3 or methylene group is present in the compound undergoes bending vibrations. So, these are the IR data. Now, looking to the PMR spectrum, two signal is there and multiplicity is septate doublet. So, whenever septate doublet combination is there, so probability of isopropyl group is there, probability of isopropyl group, and it is also supported by identical J value. J value coupling constant value is identical here for both the signal. So, probably they are neighboring protons and they are coupled with each other. So, that is why septate doublet combination identify in a proton ratio 6:1. So, 1 proton means CH group is present, 6 proton means 2 methyl group is present, 6 equivalent protons means 2 methyl group is there, 6 equivalent protons, 2 methyl group, 1 equivalent proton means CH group, and from identical J value we can arrive at the conclusion that they are coupling with each other and hence they are neighboring proton. So, septate doublet combination identify presence of isopropyl group. So, methane proton is attached to nitrile group, that is why delta value chemical shift value of methane proton is higher due to desilting, and these 6 methyl proton are far away from the nitrile group. So, delta value is still lower compared to methane proton. So, from all discussion we can arrive at the conclusion the structure of unknown compound can be elucidated as follows. It is a isopropyl nitrile. Now, nitrile group having a triple bond and it account 2 double bond equivalent. So, 1 triple bond account 2 double bond equivalent. So, compound having a 1 triple bond, there are 4 possibilities: 2 double bond or 1 double bond 1 ring, or 1 cyclic double bond and 1 is double bond and other is ring, and 1 is triple bond. 4 possibilities there. Out of 4 possibility, triple bond is accounts here 2 double bond equivalent and compound is isopropyl nitrile. Now, second example, here's molecular formula is given C3H5ON. So, here also odd number of nitrogen. So, molecular weight is odd. In mass spectroscopy, fragment also appearing at odd number of fragment is observed. UV data given, no lambda max above 210 nanometer, IR absorption band observed at 2941 to 2857 centimeter inverse, 2247 centimeter inverse and 1467 centimeter inverse, 3 bands. PMR spectra shows 2 signals having multiplicity singlet, both are singlet, proton ratio 3:2. Now, from this data we can arrive at the interpretation. The degree of unsaturation is given by number of carbon atom plus 1 minus number of hydrogen atom by 2 plus number of nitrogen atom by 2 minus number of halogen atom by 2. So, according to that formula, double bond equivalent becomes 3, number of carbon is 3 plus 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 double bond present. In short, it is DBE. There are 4 possibilities of 2 double bond. First is 2 double bond, 1 double bond and 1 cyclic ring, 2 double bond or 2 cyclic rings and 1 triple bond. Now, looking to the UV spectra shows that no absorption above 200 nanometer. It indicates N to sigma star transitions. So, it will be absorbed at shorter wavelength. So, N to sigma star transition is there. A molecular formula showing 1 nitrogen atom indicate possibility of amines nitro group or nitrile group, but stretching frequency of amines and nitro group is not given again in the IR absorption band. Therefore, nitrile group is present, nitrogen is in a form of nitrile group and it accounts 2 double bond equivalent. Looking to the IR spectra, it shows absorption band at 2941 to 2851 centimeter inverse, indicates sp3cs stretching vibrations. Second band, IR band, absorption band observed at 2247 centimeter inverse, indicates C triple bond and stretching vibrations. It accounts to double bond equivalent. Third IR band is observed at 1460 centimeter inverse, indicates bending vibration of methyl and methylene group. Now looking to the PMR spectrum, shows two signal in two singlets, indicates two kind of isolated protons. So both are singlet, multiplicity is singlet, so they are not coupling with each other, they are isolated proton and hence it is not coupled with each other. The PMR spectra shows two singlet with proton ratio 3:2 appears at downfield region, indicate methyl and methylene group is separated by electronegative oxygen atom. So here the value is given, delta value, chemical shift value for both this singlet at 3.49 and 4.22. So normally it is not this much of value, normally it is appearing at 0.9 and between 2 to round about 2 for methylene group, for methyl it is 0.9, but here it is higher delta value 3.49 and 4.22. So it indicates it will attach to the electronegative oxygen atom, that is why chemical shift value will be higher, both singlet will be absorbed at higher delta value. The singlet of 3 proton appear at upfield region at 3.49 delta ppm, indicate methyl group is adjacent to electronegative atom. Normally methyl group appear at 0.9 delta value, here it is higher 3.49, that is why it is appearing at downfield region due to de-shielding. So here electronegative oxygen atom is there adjacent to it. So as per molecular formula we have one oxygen atom is there. So it will attach to the methyl group. So methoxy group is there. Now methylene group also appearing at downfield region 4.22. So it is adjacent to oxygen other side. So CH3O CH2 group is there. So both methyl and methylene proton absorb at downfield region due to de-shielding of adjacent electron negative oxygen atom. From the above conclusion, the structure of the unknown compound can be elucidated as follows. So compound, we have nitrile group from IR, we have methyl and methylene group adjacent to oxygen from NMR data, and from finally from all this discussion we can arrive at the structure CH3O CH2 CN. So this is the structural formula. Now next example, next example, molecular formula is C3H7ON. UV data shows lambda max at 219 nanometer. IR absorption band 3413 sharp centimeter inverse, second band 3236 sharp centimeter inverse, third band at 3030 to 2899 centimeter inverse, other band is 1667 centimeter inverse, 1460 centimeter inverse. PMR spectra 3 signal is there, delta value is given 1.1, 2.25, 6.5, multiplicity is triplet, quartet and broad singlet. J value is given for first two signal identical J value, and number of proton here in molecular formula 7 proton is there. So 3 signal, this 7 proton is distributed in 3 signal, 3 proton, 2 proton and 2 proton. So 3 proton indicate methyl group, 2 proton indicate methylene or amino group NH2. Similarly here 2 proton indicate methylene or NH2 group. If NH2 group is there, only one NH2 possibility, rest of will be methylene. Now solution, the degree of unsaturation you find. So degree of unsaturation is given by this formula. So find degree of unsaturation, number of carbon is 3 plus 1 minus number of hydrogen is 7 by 2 plus number of nitrogen is 1 by 2. So total one double bond is present. So one double bond equivalent is there. So, in our unknown compound having a molecular structure having one double bond. So, one double bond equivalent indicates one cyclic ring or one double bond may be present. There are two possibilities, either this double bond is in a form of cyclic ring or it may be a double bond, C double bond O or C double bond C, like that way. Now, UV spectra shows absorption at 219, here it is written 219 by mistaken, 219 is given. So, it indicates non bonding electron promoted to sigma star orbitals and to sigma star transitions. A molecular formula showing one nitrogen atom indicates possibility of amines, nitro group, nitrile group. Now, you see the IR absorption band, but stretching frequency of nitrile and nitro group is not given. So, nitrile group is absorbed at 2250 centimeter inverse approximately. Nitro group is between 1300 and 1500, often 2 band is observed. So, possibility of amino group is there, NS stretching vibration. Now, looking to the IR spectra, here doublet is observed at 3413 sharp and 3236 sharp. In the data, first band 3413 and 3236, 3413 and 3236 sharp both are. So, these two doublet indicate 2 NH bond in the functional group. So, NH stretching vibration is there, NH stretching vibrations. The IR spectra show band at 3413 and 3236 sharp indicate doublet of NH stretching, and 3234 sharp band indicates doublet of NH stretching vibration. Therefore, primary amino group is present. The other IR band at 3030 to 2899 centimeter inverse indicates at sp3 CS stretching vibrations. The IR band at 1667 sharp centimeter inverse indicates carbonyl stretching vibration, carbonyl group stretching vibration.